The mediator's role in mediation. The mediator's role in mediation. Mediators play a vital role in helping parties resolve disputes. However, their role is often misunderstood. This presentation clarifies what mediators can and cannot do in mediation. What mediators do. Mediators can smooth the path of communication by helping parties talk to each other. Mediators can create a level playing field for all parties. Mediators can help parties define the key points of the disagreement. Mediators can assist in brainstorming potential solutions. Mediators can help parties assess the strengths and weaknesses of their positions. Mediators accomplish this by using skills like active listening, reframing, and summarizing. What mediators can't do. Mediators can't give legal advice. Mediators can't make decisions for you, only the parties can do that. Mediators cannot, and will not, take sides, they must remain impartial. Mediators are not judges or attorneys representing your side. It is the mediator's job to help all parties reach sustainable agreements, with satisfactory terms they can handle. Remember, a good mediator helps parties talk to each other, to come up with solutions that are beneficial to all parties. We hope you enjoyed learning what mediators do during the mediation process. Please help happy mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people.